Have you ever wondered what it would be like if you could get the best of both worlds? A phone that has the latest tech but doesn't break the bank? Something with a sleek, modern design, powerful features, and all the quality of a premium device, but with the price tag of something far more affordable? If this sounds like the perfect phone for you, then the upcoming iPhone SE 4 might just be the answer. The buzz around Apple's budget-friendly SE series has been growing louder, and for good reason. The leaks and rumors about the SE 4 point to some impressive upgrades that could make this device one of the best value iPhones to date. So what's all the excitement about? Let's dive into what we know so far and why the iPhone SE 4 might be the phone to beat in 2025. For years, the iPhone SE lineup has been known for offering solid performance with a familiar design, but always stuck in the shadow of Apple's flagship models. The SE models typically took their design inspiration from older iPhones. Think iPhone 8 or earlier, while still packing in enough power to appeal to those who didn't want to spend top dollar for an iPhone. But what if Apple decided to shake things up with the next generation? What if this time the SE got a design overhaul that was more in line with the iPhone 14, Apple's premium lineup? That's exactly what the leaks are suggesting. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to move away from the dated design of the iPhone 8 and adopt a more modern look, similar to the iPhone 14. We're talking about thinner bezels, flat edges, and an overall more contemporary feel. Gone are the rounded edges that once defined the older SE models, replaced by a sleek and minimalistic design that's sure to turn heads. This is a move toward the future for Apple's budget line, and it's a much-needed change. The SE 4 will likely feature a sturdy aluminum frame with a glass back, keeping it durable while still looking sharp. And just up the ante, there's even talk of the SE 4 sporting Apple's ceramic shield on the front, similar to what you'd find on higher-end models. But what about colors? The iPhone SE has always kept things fairly simple with its color options, black, white, and red being the usual suspects. However, this time around, we could see some fresh new shades making their debut alongside the traditional ones. These design updates make the SE 4 feel more like a premium device, while still being accessible to those who need a budget-friendly option. Now, let's talk about what's really going to wow you, the display. For the first time in the SE lineup, Apple is expected to ditch the old LCD screens and embrace OLED technology. That's a huge upgrade for a budget phone. OLED screens offer better contrast, deeper blacks, and more vibrant colors, making everything you watch or scroll through look more immersive. The SE 4 will reportedly come in with a 6.1-inch OLED display, likely offering a resolution around 2532 by 1170 pixels. While the refresh rate will likely stick at 60 Hz. Nothing mind-blowing compared to the Pro models. That's still more than enough to deliver a smooth experience for daily use. Watching videos, browsing social media, or playing casual games will be an entirely new experience with this display. But great display doesn't mean much without the power to back it up, right? That's where the A18 Bionic chip comes into play. If the leaks hold true, the iPhone SE 4 will be powered by the same A18 Bionic chip that's expected to feature in Apple's iPhone 16 lineup. This is a big deal. The A18 is rumored to be based on a 3nm process, making it incredibly efficient and fast. Whether you're playing graphically intense games or multitasking with demanding apps, the SE 4 won't slow down. It'll also feature a powerful GPU, which will be perfect for better graphics, as well as an improved neural engine to help with tasks like voice recognition and AI-based photography. Speaking of photography, the camera system is another area where the iPhone SE 4 is expected to shine. Apple has always offered solid cameras in its SE models, but the SE 4 could take things to the next level. Rumors indicate a 48MP primary camera, a massive upgrade over the 12MP sensors found in previous models. With the help of the A18 chip's AI power enhancements, the SE 4 will likely deliver better portrait modes, improved low-light performance, and faster processing for things like face detection. If you're a fan of smartphone photography, this is a game-changer for a budget phone. Battery life has always been a sticking point for affordable iPhones, with many users finding that the budget models didn't quite keep up with the demands of daily use. The iPhone SE 4 is looking to change that by packing a larger battery, around 3,000 milliamp hours, and improving efficiency through the A18 chip and OLED display. So, whether you're scrolling through Instagram or streaming your favorite shows, you should be able to get through the day without reaching for the charger. And with 20W wired charging and 15W wireless charging, you'll be able to juice up your phone quickly when you do need to plug in. Now, what good is all this power if you can't stay connected? The iPhone SE 4 will feature 5G support with faster speeds and more stable connections thanks to Apple's custom in-house modem. This will allow users to access the latest 5G technologies, including sub-6 GHz and mmWave, depending on where they live. The phone will also support Wi-Fi 6E for quicker wireless connections, as well as Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring that you're always connected to the devices you use the most. As for security, the iPhone SE has been the last holdout for Touch ID, even as flagship models have embraced Face ID. But with the SE 4, Face ID could finally make its way to the budget lineup, offering a more seamless unlocking experience. The addition of iOS 18 will bring a host of software enhancements, including interactive widgets, faster Siri, and new features for messages. All in all, the SE 4 will be running the latest version of iOS, meaning it will stay up to date with all the features of the newer iPhones. Now, on to the big question. How much will this all cost? Apple has always been known for keeping the SE series affordable, and the SE 4 will likely continue that trend. Rumors suggest that the SE 4 will be priced somewhere in the $400 to $500 range, with storage options starting at 64 gigabytes and going up to 256 gigabytes. For the performance and features you're getting, an OLED display, the A18 chip, and a 48MP camera, this is a fantastic deal. You'll be getting a phone that's as capable as some of Apple's flagship devices, but without the premium price. Finally, when can you get your hands on it? Leaks indicate a launch in early 2025, likely around March or April. So, if you're eagerly waiting for a budget iPhone that doesn't feel like a compromise, mark your calendars for early spring 2025. The iPhone SE 4 might be one of the most exciting entries into the budget smartphone market in years. With its modern design, powerful specs, and premium features, it's poised to deliver a performance that rivals much more expensive devices. Whether you're upgrading from an older iPhone or jumping into the Apple ecosystem for the first time, the SE 4 could be the perfect choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,